HP mini PC desktop. HP Pro Mini 260 G9 desktop PC. Going to unbox now. Comes with the stand, keyboard, it has a USB keyboard, full size with number pad and all. Then user manual, USB optical mouse, HP, two power cable, power adapter. It's a big pin, round pin, big pin power adapter. 65 watts, 19.5 voltage and 3.33 ampere. And we can see the PC now. So remaining the PC only in the box. So everything we removed. This is a PC. This is the front side. Type C with a Thunderbolt. USB power, 2 USB port, headphone jack combo, power button, and this is the i5 processor, 13th generation. And backside you can see one display port and HDMI port, and 3 of USB port and one serial port and one more USB and Ethernet port RJ45, and this is a power adapter. It has a Kensington lock system. Only one screw to upgrade, and this is the back side. It has a wall mount option also. Now I can show you how you can use the stand. So it will stand like this. Thank you for watching.